A 3.1% downturn is expected for Solana tomorrow, Traders Union reports. Let's start things off with a brief look at today's market behavior. Solana has moved higher by 3.7% since yesterday and trades close to $73.96. Let's go over the experts' predictions. Traders Union sees a slide to $71.72 tomorrow, a potential loss of 3.1%. Solana could edge lower to $72.21, according to Gov Capital Collector, around 2.4% below now. CoinCodex notes it might move higher towards $74.31, roughly 0.4% up. A different forecast from Digital Coin Price highlights the possibility of Solana hitting $74.75, marking an estimated rise of 1%. Finally, 30 Rates targets $79.87 by tomorrow, which is 8% higher than now. This forecast has the highest return potential among those considered. That's the end of forecast views. Let's continue. Based on everything the analysts shared, here's the summary. Looking at the forecasts in aggregate, the potential range for price changes runs from a decrease of 3.1% to an increase of 8%, depending on the analyst. From all predictions, 30 Rates takes the lead with 8% gain in value by tomorrow. It's clear you might secure between $4 and $80 for every $1,000 you invest. By examining recent volatility trends, CoinCodex's forecast stands as the most probable, with a 93.7% likelihood. After reviewing all 5 forecasts, I've calculated a common scenario. Market forecasts together indicate Solana moving towards $74.57. Here's how it looks in detail. Consensus calculations point to a 0.8% rise by tomorrow. This suggests your capital might also grow by roughly 0.8%. Putting $1,000 into this move could reflect about $8 in gain. According to the analysis, the chance of the consensus scenario playing out is around 92.4%. Up next, let's see how analysts view the short-term 3-day forecast. A stable path is projected by Traders Union. Gov Capital Collector expects the price to slump further. In this forecast, CoinCodex describes a rising path. Digital Coin Price sees Solana trending lower. A move higher is suggested by 30 Rates. With analysts in broad agreement, the consensus highlights upward momentum for Solana. Bringing all opinions together, the majority view suggests that Solana is more likely to trend upward during the coming 3 days. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Today, we look at them against the outcome. As a result, the daily candle closed at $75.16. Yesterday showed that most forecasts captured the correct move. Most precise forecast was delivered by Gov Capital Collector. Let's organize the outcomes for a clearer picture. Yesterday's candle showed 4 forecasts inside. For ROI, multiple analysts achieved profits, though Gov Capital Collector held the top spot at 8.2%. Here's the results overview, a compact comparison of every forecast. For coin price forecast probability is 79.7% accuracy and ROI 3.1%. Try to find the analyst that stayed most in sync with the market. Now let's see how the predicted profitability for tomorrow varies between Solana and other assets. Our featured asset shows the highest potential profitability for tomorrow at 0.8%. Here we're looking at Solana next to 4 random cryptocurrencies. A wider profitability comparison is now live on my website. Subscribe so you can follow how these forecasts play out. Catch you tomorrow.